Yo, yo.
Get out of here.
Oh, hey, I didn't mean to intrude. I was asking. I had a question.
No, get out of here, man.
Yep.
Welcome to Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey.
You hit us?
Let's make sure we lock up these bikes. We got plenty of bike thieves in this one. Check this guy out. Comes onto this lady's porch,
CC,
acting a little crazy.
I made this for you. I'm sorry for this for your piece. Baby, can you help me? I need your help right now. Fuck the police, I need a quarter. I need you to hold me down for a quarter pound, baby. You gonna hold me down? I'm gonna knock on your door real quick. I ain't even about to perk. I'm going to the woods, all type of shit. Nah. You might see it. I eat pussy for that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna play. Motherfucker. I'm about to leave because I don't want you to feel the danger or nothing. Hey, CC, it's KP. I don't want you to feel the danger or nothing like that. If you hear me or none of that, I'm just saying, I don't want to feel the danger, so I just came to you, the closest person for police. Oh shit, I'm on your porch right now. Fuck the police. They gotta catch me if they can. They crying.
Excuse me if you can hear me. Somebody that broke into the house across the street. So far, it seemed like a bando or somebody. Hey, hey, hey.
Not exactly sure why anybody would have an entire shoe rack outside, but I don't recommend this because this is just going to happen all the time. Now he knows exactly where to come get shoes.
Hey. Yo. Yo.
Get out of here.
Oh, hey, I didn't mean to intrude. I was asking. I had a question.
No, get out of here, man.
Yep.
Hello, hello. Nigga taking our package. Hello. He took our package. He took our package.
Friendly reminder to make sure you keep those doors locked. Before you go inside, just check them, double check. Also, try not to leave any personal information in your vehicle. Don't forget about those other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and places you can pick up your packages from. This guy goes into this garage and steals a bike. Got to make sure we lock him up, or at least keep our garages closed. We even got the ladies out here stealing what looks like a pressure washer. Not sure why all these people are comfortable leaving their doors unlocked. Anything can happen at any time. Thank God this guy was able to catch him.
Hey, hold on my car.
It just seems like we can't have anything outside anymore. This guy comes on his porch and steals a rabbit. A statue rabbit, of course. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please make sure you keep those doors locked and guard yourself out there. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.
هذا هو المهم. وهذا الباركن كنا نبرق السيارات. هذا حق الرجال. مو ما يخلينا نبرق. مكانه مفتوح يا أسامة.
Thank you for watching Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.